welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I guess it's been a long time since I played the video. Sorry, I was not feeling well. Right now I'm going to continue the concepts of Java. So let me start making my first one. Let's discuss about continuation of string. Let's say today I'm going to start a topic called string. So what is like a string? We put 12. See, hope this would be visible. String. So, what is a string? It is a built-in class. It's a built-in class present in Java. It is present in Java dot lang package. So the string is present in Java dot lang package, which is a built-in class. It's a string class. It is a default in final. String class is default final in nature, which means string class is a it's known as a default class. Defaultly it is known as final class. So because it's final, we can't perform any inheritance, and it does not have any subclasses. Now so let me show something like there are three things like memory. There are one more things like three things like let me draw a diagram with this, like this, and let me draw here one line, here one line. Now let me tell you what is here. Here it is, let's say give some size to this method. You're going to have heap area, and here we are going to have stack area, stack, stack. And inside this thing this is for Java 1.7, guys. Generally we are not going to use 1.7, so let me just a bit modify it. Just a second. Okay, this is we are going to discuss about Java mainly from Java 1.8, so let me change it bit. So it's going to be here, it's going to be heap area, and here it's going to be stack. Going to be one thing like local area stack. We are going to have local, and for there is one more thing like for execution, and we have SAP and SCP. Remember it. So they are mainly we are considering this thing. So there are three memory areas present inside JVM. One is method area. One is method area. Second one is heap area. Heap area. Next one, third one going to be stack area. So in string we have two types for object creation, with main keyword and with new keyword, and another one is without new keyword. So it's going to be like string. Example, I'm going to string s1 equal to hi, string s2 equal to hello. So in heap area we are considering this heap area. Inside this heap area we are going to store hello, hello, where this is containing s value. This is for current purpose. This is heap area. This is going to use for current purpose, and here also we are going to have hello. This one we are going to have for future purpose. For local, this is also going to have hello. This is going to for future purpose. Like here, let's say. Give me this. Let me put this thing. string string space s equal to new string hello. This is first one with new keyword. This is without new keyword. So let me show you a program here now. Now if instead of this, let me put string string s equal to new string hello. String s1 equal to hello. Println, I'll say yes, paste s1. Now if you run it, so you see hello s1, these are printed. Now if you compare the strings, for comparing it, print ln, let's say s equal to s1. Now what do you think, guys? What is the output going to be for this one? It's going to print true or false for boolean expression. Now it's going to print false. See, it's printing false. It's comparing the this hello statements, where whenever you're trying to compare strings, we can't use double equal to method here. You either you have to use dot. First one, you need to use dot equals method. Then only it's going to compare it. And generally this is mainly about the strings. There is one more concept which I want to tell you is like array. Mainly you can do something more examples on strings, guys, but for now this is going to be enough for strings, I believe. Let me just remove these things. Now let me tell you something called array. Array. What is array? It is a collection of similar data type. It is a collection of similar data type. It's homogeneous in nature. It has array. It has fixed. It is a fixed size in nature. It is fixed in size. Mainly there are two types of arrays. They are like, first one going to be one single dimensional array, or 1D I can say. There is 2D, two dimensional array. Second one, two dimensional array. How? So single dimensional or primitive array using with new keyword. Let me show you. Int single dimensional. This is example for single dimensional array. I equal to new int space size 80. This is going to be a size. What is the size? So int is a primitive data type. This is single dimensional. This bracket is single dimensional symbol. This is I is for reference variable. New is keyword, and this int size is a primitive array size. Let me show you one example of this as well. Now array programs. Now let me remove this int array x equal to new int 3 semicolon. Let me take I. I, let me say I of 1 equal to some value I of 0. Let's say 12 1. I'll tell 15 2. I'll take 20. Now println, I'll tell array elements are I'll tell for int I colon sorry okay now let me take int a colon I. I'll call println a. Now if I print if I run it, as you can see what's going to print here. So it's printing the array of elements 12, 15, and let me just maximize this 20. So this is how we are going to print array elements. This is for single one-dimensional array. And let me still we can print a string or characters of array. Let's say string a of I equal to new string of, let's say, 3 characters s of I. Okay, king, I'll tell Vijay, I will tell Ajay. Array elements are inside the array. I'll tell instead of this one string. Now if you run it, let's check what it's going to print. So it's going to print, see, King Vijay array, King Vijay Ajay. So this 0 is going to print 0 at the index, 1 at 1 index, is at 2 index. This is how we are going to get array elements. Or else you can put like this instead of this. Same thing, string. Now remove this thing. Just for understanding I put that, but in order to put in that way you just need to put one bracket, close, remove this, next, comma. Now if you print it, comma, if you run this one, let me show, wait, a string, I forgot to put semicolon here. If you run this one, you can see same thing is printed. This is how you are going to do for array, guys, single dimensional array. Yeah, thanks for watching. And please like, share. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Next I'm going to talk about object classes in my next video. Yeah, thanks for watching.